he ended it again. He ended it again. So this is part 3. That's 4 YouTube videos in one day. So, by the way, guys, I'm not doing this on purpose. This is all an accident. So it's B.I. to B.I. or that. So B.I. to B.I. So yeah. Playing pig. Yeah, we're playing pig. I meant P.I. to P.I. So we're tied up. So I'm gonna play this guy. Epic. Look at that little mosquito. Where is it? Never mind, it's gone. Second try. That's on my hand. Ah! Ah! It's his turn. He keeps on getting on me. Oh yeah, in that first video, if you hear me saying excuse me, this guy I know came up to me and asked me what does it say, because he's like, he speaks a different language than me. So I told him, and yeah, he's really nice though. Come on, Joshua, it's your 3rd try. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I give you a 4th try because you're my buddy. Okay, if he scores this, might lose, guys. Wait! Ah, let me see it. Okay, here, hold it. And I gotta get ready to go. So now to see who's gonna win. So, save it. 1, 2. 3.